Welcome to the PS02 Flow Controller Calibration Guide. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of commissioning your PS02 Flow Controller pump system. Setting up your controller correctly ensures optimal performance and protection for your pump. Step 1. It is of utmost importance to install the flow controller with the correct side facing upwards, because the working of the flow controller is influenced by gravity. The pump's footpiece must always be on a flat and level surface to achieve the desired results. After connecting all pipework, ensure that the suction line and pump casing is filled with water and that all the air has been removed. Step 3. Turn the flathead screw on the flow controller counterclockwise until it reaches the end of travel. The screw will suddenly be more difficult to turn. Step 4. Connect the pump's power cable to the flow controller. Open the interface. Insert the cable through the bottom compression gland and ensure proper terminal connections. Link the power cable to the controller, connecting it to a 240-volt single-phase socket. This step requires the expertise of a qualified professional. Step 5. Connect the power cable from the flow controller to a socket outlet with appropriate protection. Switch the socket outlet to the on position. The controller's power and lights will illuminate and the pump will start running. Step 6. Open a tap to allow all remaining air in the system to escape. Close the tap and wait for the pump to switch off. The controller's on light will turn off. Note the pressure displayed on the pressure gauge just after the pump turned off. This is the cutout pressure. Step 7. We will now begin the adjustment for the cut-in pressure. This is the pressure at which the pump turns on when a fixture is opened. Start by carefully monitoring the pressure gauge on the side of the flow controller while opening a tap to a fast drip. Note the exact pressure which the pump turns on. This is called the cut-in pressure. Turn the flathead screw on the flow controller clockwise to increase the cut-in pressure and counterclockwise to decrease the cut-in pressure. Repeat step 7 after every adjustment to verify the newly adjusted cut-in pressure. The ideal cut-in pressure differs for each application, but do not exceed 75% of the cutout pressure noted in the previous step. Please ensure that there is no debris in the suction pipeline or the pump. Any debris lodged in the flow controller will cause it to function erratically. If the water supply reservoir is empty, the pump will turn off and the power and failure lights will be illuminated. In order to restore the water pressure, the reservoir needs to be filled and all air needs to be removed from the suction pipe and pump casing. Press the reset button on the flow controller to start the pump. The controller is now set to deliver optimal performance and accurate control over your pump. Thank you for watching our PS02 Flow Controller Setup Guide. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative guides.